Let's talk about the difference between concealing a dark under eye versus a puffy under eye, because it's two different things. I'm going in first with a little bit of eye cream. When it comes to concealing darkness, you want to use a corrector. So for my complexion, when you're seeing that sort of bluish tint under the eyes, choose something in a peach or orangish shade. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury corrector in medium. You're just going to take your finger and rub that, place it where you have that darkness and discoloration, and just let it sit for a minute. Blend that out just by tapping it in. We're not rubbing, we're tapping. You can go a little bit across the lid. We tend to have discoloration there as well. And you can see without the use of any concealer how beautiful and even that looks. When it comes to puffiness, now I don't have a ton of puffiness under my eyes, but when you do have a puffy under eye, you tend to have that little bit of a pillow right here. So where you want the majority of your concealer is actually along the edge of that pillow, up in that corner and here. So you don't actually want to put a lot of concealer on the pillowy puffy part because the concealer will bring that forward. You would take your concealer brush, tap out, and go all along the bottom edge of that puffy pillow part of your under eye. I'm using the new Say Beauty concealers. They are phenomenal, super creamy, easy to work with, and amazing coverage. And there you have it. It's two different products and two different application methods to address two completely separate issues under the eyes. If you have a little bit of both, if you don't really know what your issues are, what I like to do is use a little bit of corrector first and then go in with concealer in my traditional lifting concealer application method. And if you don't know what that is, I'll link the video for you here.